Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to calibrate windshield wipers. First, park on level ground, turn off ignition, and lift wiper arms away from glass. Inspect blade edges for nicks and wear, then measure sweep width and note high or low stopping points. Loosen arm pivot nut slightly to adjust position, move blade to correct angle, tighten nut, and test in intermittent and high speeds before final checks. Before adjusting, make sure you have the right tools and parts. Use a measuring tape to record current sweep and a torque wrench to meet manufacturer torque specs. Keep a clean cloth and washer fluid nearby to test blade contact. Replace blades that show cracks or missing rubber before fiddling with arms. Working methodically saves time and avoids over-tightening, so adjust little by little and test frequently for best results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping your garage and car mats tidy, with voice control that saves time when you're hands-on with repairs. It's a smart little helper that pairs nicely with DIY car care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start adjustments by loosening the pivot nut a quarter turn, just so the arm can shift on its splines. Move the arm incrementally toward the desired park position, then red-eye-tin and cycle the wipers through each speed to check alignment and wipe quality. If streaking persists, check blade seating and rubber condition, then fine-tune arm position again. Keep testing after each tiny change until the sweep is even and streak-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.